Hello there. Let's check out the Shelf Cooking 101 Cookbook by Jordan Page. I am excited to get into this. If we haven't met yet, hi there. I'm Eileen from On the Same Page Together. We are a Christ-centered home of learning, and on this channel we talk about all things family. We like to share what works for us as we strive to encourage you on your journey in life and family. All right, here we go. Jordan Page intro. Why does it matter? Oh, cute pictures of her family. Table of contents. We've got inventory and meal planning, budgeting, shopping and organization, food prep and cooking, and even more categories. Okay. All right, note from the author. The simple steps: inventory, use what you have, supplement, stock up, favorite recipes, get social. Okay, inventory and meal planning. Oh, and then here we've got steps within steps: food storage and inventory, meal planning, dinner dilemma, dinner ideas, created food storage places. So it's an overview, and then on these other pages it looks like we have specific ideas of where to store the items, like in the kitchen, living room, the office, bedroom. Okay, that's really cool that she breaks it down for you. Keeping an inventory, where to keep your inventory, step-by-step inventory. Use your inventory and do the same for the fridge and pantry. Okay. Meal planning. Find meals that use those ingredients. Repurpose, reuse, don't waste. Dinner dilemma. Okay, so let's see. Single student or working professional using the crock pot. Yeah, that's a good idea. Parent of young children. Different ideas for that. And then we got house full of teenagers and empty nesters. Nice. Dinner ideas. So she's got a whole list of dinner ideas here, all pulled out by category even, because that's one of her ideas, is do like themed nights, and then she's got some ideas for each of those themes. So that's really cool. Budgeting, shopping, and organization. Set a budget, stay on a budget, go shopping, organize it all. All right, making a budget. Oh, she's going to lay out how she does her envelopes. Okay. Special dietary needs and the 70% rule. So she goes into this with like some tips on how to not make everything to fit like whatever the dietary needs are, but more make meals that you can then tailor components to different styles, like make one kind of taco meat and then do a gluten-free tortilla and a regular tortilla. And the 70% rule here, she's just kind of breaking down like instead of having her $100 per person per month or whatever, use your take-home pay into percentage buckets and just keep all of your living expenses within 70% of your take-home pay, and then the other 30% you can read to see. She categorizes them as. Grocery shopping. Bring your shopping bags, check the cost per ounce, and then just different tips that she has. And she says, take your kids with you. Huh, you may want to read that closer later. Grocery shopping tips again. Organize your kitchen. So this could be helpful if you're like just moved and trying to, overwhelmed, trying to figure that out. Or setting up a kitchen for the first time. Food prep and cooking. Pantry staples. Fruits and veggies. Food hacks and substitutions and conversions. Okay, essentials for every kitchen. So essential tools. Nice little shopping list if you have a kiddo moving out. Pantry staples. Yeah, if you want to stock up your kiddo, there's nice little tips right there. Okay, love yourself some veggies. Okay, so we've got, looks like the different types of veggies here, and then a bunch of different ways to prepare them. Nice. Ooh, how to tell when veggies are ripe. Oh, that is super helpful. I'm going to find this useful. When fruit is ripe. Wow. Keep it fresh longer. How to store things. Oh, I need to pull this out more often when I'm putting stuff away. And then season it with what? So we've got here, it looks like what is it used for and then what it tastes like. Nice. So then you can, as you're building your own recipes, you can kind of play with the flavors. Conversions made easy. This is a wealth of knowledge. And you don't have to Google it so much. Okay, make it work with substitutions, food allergies, different things, why you might need substitutions. So you have the basic ingredient here and all the different ways that you could swap it out for something else. And it just goes on for a couple pages. I love this. This is helpful for those of us with ADHD who, when we pop on the internet to ask a question, get lost. Just go to the book instead. All right, let's see. Freezing and reheating. Okay. How to freeze the food. Most important thing to do. What to keep in the fridge and what not to keep in the fridge. Store food properly in the freezer. Okay. And that's how to do it, and then tips and tricks on the side. Thawing your food, different methods, and never, ever, ever do this. Okay. Food you can cook without thawing. And then deeper information about that. Leftovers. It's different. Oh, how to warm up the leftovers. Okay. Okay. And then leftover ideas, how to repurpose the different foods. Nice. Build your own recipes. Oh, this is super cool. Kind of gives you the building blocks for a smoothie, and then you can swap out salad. Here's the different things you need. Traditional salsa, fruit salsa, muffins, pasta dish, lasagna, okay, tortilla soup, a cream soup, Mexican-inspired dishes. Oh, and fried rice. We love that at our house. Pizza and calzones. Yep. Naked recipes. Now, what that little heading says is take something plain and dress it up. So we have naked chicken tips, 20 ways to prepare chicken breasts, all the different kinds. So this is probably like when you have like a protein. They're like, I need to use up chicken, or I need to use up salmon. And here are some ideas for what you can do as a jumping off point, and then you can figure out sides. So that's really cool. And then, ways to then shake it up. But I love that this is just basically a protein index with kind of mini recipes in it. Got potatoes even, not just protein. Nice. Cake mixin ideas. Ooh. And then 12 creative ways to use cake mix. Nice. Favorite family recipes. Okay, so it looks like the rest of the book, yep, just recipes. Awesome. So we have appetizers and sides here. Oh, nice. I'm liking this layout. Really cool. Jello salad. Okay, so I am definitely going to be getting one of these books for each of my kiddos to take with them when they leave my home. I mean, I hope to teach them plenty of these things and hope to have them see me using it, but it is just so packed with great stuff for them to have on hand that I want to make sure they will each have one as a good reference guide. I love that there's a picture for every single one of these recipes. That just really elevates it for me. I've had a good time flipping through this, and I am so glad that I purchased it. I actually purchased it as like an add-on to go with when I bought a season of Family Meal Plans Cookbooks, and this was like a promo. Wait a minute. Balsamic glaze. Man, that looks really easy to do. Anyways, I just threw this in the cart because there was a promo, whatever, and I'm so glad I did. If this flip through has been at all helpful to you, would you do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button? That algorithm triggering really helps this video get to other people who are also looking for it. So I would appreciate that. And I am going to do a flip through video of the 4-pack of a season of Family Meal Plans Cookbooks. So look out for that one. Actually, if you subscribe, then YouTube will let you know when that video is released. Okay, the index. While we're finishing this up, if you're interested in other product review videos I've done, here's a playlist for that. You could even check out some of my recipes. And here's a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. I really appreciate you making it this far, and I hope you have a great day. Oh, she even shows you how to use the index. Impressive.